So what is the difference between a CMS and a CRM? Of course, they both sound quite similar, but let's understand what is the difference between these two. These questions keeps coming for basically small businesses, startups, because they are just getting into technology. They are basically starting to build their technology stack, and then they are confused because they are thrown these jargons like CMS, CRM, or maybe sales or marketing hub, or maybe marketing cloud. How does all this differ? I'm not going to talk about other things like, for example, or marketing cloud or hub or whatever it is. I'm going to focus this discussion on only CMS versus CRM. What is the difference? Now, there's a huge difference. Now, CMS is basically a tool to build websites and landing pages, while CRM is a customer relationship management tool which is used to store data of the customers and then use it for marketing or sales or service. CMS is basically content management system. All the website pages that you create, the blog that you create, or the landing pages that you create, they all come under CMS. And CRM is having all the data. Maybe you have exported data from Excel sheet or CSV. Maybe you have received data from the forms, or maybe some other way like social media and all those things are stored there. Earlier, mostly these two used to be completely different softwares. If you had to create a website or you need to have a CMS, which is content management system, there were multiple CMSs available, which are still available, like WordPress. There are tools like Drupal. There are open source tools, there are paid tools, a lot of other tools are available in the CMS system. So company used to basically first of all go and create the website in a CMS, right? They used to have separate expertise for the CMS, and they used to have separate expertise for the CRM. And in their journey of building their business, they used to bring these tools together depending upon what stage they are really in. Some companies used to bring CRM a bit later when they used to have a lot of data to manage, and some companies used to basically wait and focus more on generating the data using the CMS, because CMS helps you create landing pages. It connects with your different type of ads that you create, maybe Google ad or Facebook ad. So once you see your Facebook ad, you click on the link, you are taken to the CMS. Now, where did the confusion start? The confusion basically started when companies like HubSpot or maybe Salesforce, all these companies, they started combining all these tools together, including CMS. So a company like Salesforce or a company like HubSpot or a company like Zoho, they all used to have their CRM previously. So these companies like HubSpot as well as Salesforce or many other companies, they basically decided, like I mentioned, to bring everything on one particular platform, kind of making them a business suite, which makes it of course easier for companies to not just have everything in one place, but from data point of view as well, it makes a lot of sense to have all the data collectively on one platform so that nothing is lost. There's no attribution problem in terms of where the contact is coming from or any kind of information that you want to have in terms of data. Everything is right in one place. But when it comes to really going after these solutions, and that is where I think you might also get confused if you are a business, that when you say, okay, I want a CMS, somebody would tell you, okay, go for maybe HubSpot. If you say, I want to have a CRM, somebody will again tell you that, why don't you go for maybe again HubSpot. Now you will get confused. Okay, somebody told CMS for HubSpot, somebody also told me, a CRM for HubSpot, or it might go the same way for the Salesforce as well. So if you're an enterprise, if you want an e-commerce platform, somebody would say, okay, go ahead for Salesforce e-commerce platform. And if you would like to have marketing tool or maybe a kind of a website tool, somebody will ask you to go ahead, why don't you get a Salesforce Experience Cloud. And for CRM again, they will recommend you Salesforce. Now, this is where the confusion starts. And for those who are new to technology, who are still building up their businesses, it of course will get confusing. So yeah, all these companies have now started providing the entire suite with all the business tools in it. So if you go for one, it will actually be a lot of beneficial for you that you get the other from the same suite as well, because it makes things a lot more easier for you. And if you have budget, then of course you can go for multiple other tools. But when it's about managing everything in a central place, then you should use one suite for everything. This is about differences between CMS and CRM. Remember that the skill set required to work in the CMS is very different than the skill set required for CRM. And within CRM as well, there are multiple things. For example, marketing, sales, service. For that, very different kind of skills are required. But for CMS, you need graphic designers, you need UI UX capability individuals, right? You need people who create good landing pages, good looking pages. It needs to have call to action. So all these things are there, they are part of a CMS. So yes, this is the difference between both. Let me know if you have some other points to add. Let me know in the description. See you in my next video. Thank you.